So, namaste everyone, and thank you so much for joining in. I would actually like to take 5 minutes before the actual meditation to update you on what happened in the Global Conference of Meditation Leaders. Because I know there are many people who have followed us, waited, or have been waiting to understand for the updates. So, I just want to update you here. So, in the GCML, it is actually this is actually organized by Buddha CEO, which is a PMC inspired organization. Okay, Patriji inspired organization where they promote a lot of meditations and lot of retreats which are paid. Okay, so there are a lot of things that are free with them, and they have organized this to bring meditation to the doorstep, or to to propose meditation on a global platform, and introduce this to a lot of policymakers. Like they have included health ministry, they have included people from the corporate sector, they have included the leaders from the spiritual visionaries, and then there are so many people that have come. I mean, the Vice President of India has actually inaugurated it, and he had spread the message and the importance of this meditation in everybody's life, be in every sector. Okay, they try to bring this to everybody. So that is one big thing, and as a result of this, there are many people, there are many founders, or there are many leaders from varied sectors have joined this global conference, and then we all have taken this forward that we will do a lot of meditations. I mean, people. I mean, like us or many other small startups or small spiritual organizations, they're already doing a lot of meditations, and then we are going to increase the meditations in different areas. Like meditation, we will bring a lot of insights, like how will this meditation help in the health sector, how will this help in the education sector, how will this help in the corporate sector, how will this help to the people in jails, or how will this people to this help to children, especially with the different age groups. How will this help to all the housewives, rather, how all the senior citizens? I mean, how is it going to help them from different communities and different societies? And how can we do best for them only in terms of meditation? Okay, so we will bring lot of different meditations, and then we will move forward. Okay, so that is the gist of it. And as part of day one, everybody like Daji, there is people from CBI retired chief, and then BK Shivani, and then there are great leaders who have participated only to promote the fact that meditation is needed in every field, no matter what. So that is what is the takeaway from the global conference that we have attended recently. And on the day three, I have especially taken interest in attending about the spiritual tablets. So these spiritual tablets are nothing but a kind of solution for an issue, be it physical, mental, social, financial, or spiritual. Okay, how to recognize the issue for a particular, I mean, how to recognize the issue and the actual solution for that. There is some, concept they have come up with a workshop on how to, there's a list, and they're trying to put up a solution which they called it as a tablet. And these tablets are actually free of cost. Okay. This is no physical tablet. This is just solution is a tablet. They will give you, so many days of meditation, or so much time. This is what you have to do. Karke, they will give a set of things that you will have to follow. And they have level ones, level twos, and something like that, where you can also counsel others by taking these courses. So that is absolutely free for everyone. If anyone is interested, I can suggest anyone's name there. Okay. But for me, For us, for spiritual happenings, it is like we are already doing a lot of healings and we do intuitive readings, and these tablets would only help us just do our task better. There is no, I will not say great value addition, but I will say that this will help us understand the upcoming healers, understand the issue better. Okay, so that is all about the GCML, Global Conference of Meditation Leaders, and the workshop that we have attended. And yeah, there will be some local chapters like Bangalore chapter, Hyderabad chapter, that they have collaborated. Like, PMC has collaborated with Heartfulness and Buddha CEO, and so I mean there are a lot of collaborations that they have called out for. So they've been doing that. There have been collaborations, and there are collaborations. There would be collaborations coming forward with spiritual happenings, or so other so-called in other spiritual organizations as well. So we'll see what we can do best to the society in terms of meditations. Yeah, that is what all about. Now I will
Shailaja, I
switch.
already told you, right? Heartfulness in Hyderabad is on this Friday.
Yeah, this is on Friday and you are invited, right?
Yes.
You are invited and you're going to talk about spiritual happenings there.
Yes.
Wonderful. Wonderful. So yeah, spiritual happenings, fortunately, with all the divine support and the guidance is going global. Very happy for that. And let us see how we can help the society. All right. Now